Lost my drone this morning, probably got a bit of blood on me there. I've been crawling through vines and everything. My drone is up here. There's a bird's nest there, there's a snake wrapped around the bloody tree waiting to attack the bloody bird's nest.
So true, funny how it seems, always in time, but never in line for dreams. Head over heels, went toe to toe. This is the sound of my soul. This is the sound. I bought a ticket to the world, but now I've come back again. Why do I find it hard to write the next line? Oh, I want the truth to be said. I know this much is true. I know this much is true. With a thrill in my
Eventful morning, not a good morning actually. I flew the drone and lost it.
listening to more.
All scratches on my head and everything you can see. I went through the bush. But the drone sort of let me down a bit. It's never took the last footage. It just showed where it was roundabout was. It wouldn't beep, so I couldn't find any beeps. I searched high and low and couldn't find it. Okay guys, I lost the drone, and so I've got to find the drone. Battery's running low now. They're not cheap. Yeah, I'm not quite sure exactly where it is, but I got footage and it shows it reversing off this barge, which I was trying to do, but I thought the barge was another barge. So there's two barges that look similar. So it's around here somewhere, around this bend I think. Like, we're in the right area. It's obviously hit bushes, so that's good. Obviously crashed just not far from the beach by the footage. So I'm definitely in the right location, definitely. There it is, there's the barge. So I've got the barge, I know that I'm nearby, got these black swans. Here's the black swans, they're gorgeous aren't they? Never would have walked out here except this happened. That's where it was in the footage, and it ended up in these bushes here. Now, I hope it didn't hit these rocks, but it didn't look like it. This is where we should be, this is the locations. So it's just here, that little red arrow, it's in here. This map, I'm sitting right on top of it. Guys, I'm a little bit unlucky because of this barge pumping sand or whatever it's doing. It's making a lot of noise, and that means I can't hear any beeps. I know roughly it's around here, but it's like looking for a needle in a haystack. In this bush, somewhere in here. It's flashing or beeping now, that's the problem we have. And it was lined up here, perfectly here. So which brings it over to here. And who knows if it's not connecting and not beeping, because the vegetation is that thick. But it's got to be in here. It's here. It's around here. Even if I could find it, yeah, I don't know if it picks up these thorns. But all these branches have these little thorns on them. If it's not beeping, guys, I don't think I've got a hope. So, guys, I've spotted the drone. I don't know if it's in one piece. That's the problem. I don't know if it's in one piece. But anyway, I can see it. Yeah, I've got to try and get in there to get it. It's, yeah, at least I know where it is anyway. Oh my God, now I'm caught. Oh. They're just fucking tearing into me. Oh, these Well, I'd hate to concede defeat, but I can't find it. Okay guys, I'm still in the bush here looking. Oh jeez, it's up here somewhere. I bloody keep losing. The drone's there next to a bird's nest, next to a snake. There's a snake waiting right there. So I've got the drone up here, a bird's nest up here, and a snake. Unbelievable.